how to trade binary options as a complete beginner. So if you are complete beginner, if you have just heard about binary options and want to start to trade binary options, or you just want to learn about binary options, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you each and everything that you need to know about trading binary options in the right way in this video. So watch this video till the end. One of the most important things that you need while trading binary options is profitable binary options trading strategies, which we will talk about this in this video. Okay, so if you want to start to trade binary options, then you must need some strategies that works like charm. So first thing you need to know while you want to start to trade binary options is you need a trading platform. Now there are lots of trading platform, okay, and my best favorite trading platform is called Pocket Option. And I have created a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create and verify your account on Pocket Option. Okay, already I have created that in the past. Okay, and it have helped over 9,000 people to create their own account and verify their own account. Now one of the best reason that I also like about Pocket Option is they provide you a 50% deposit bonus. Okay, and you can get it. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and register your account on Pocket Option. And what I will also do is I will give a link to that video where you will learn how to create and verify your Pocket Option account. So that would be the step one, to create a trading platform account, a verified account. Okay, now why you need a verified account? You need a verified account because you need to deposit and withdraw your real fund. Okay, and if you create your verified account, then you will have no any problem while depositing and withdrawing your fund in trading platform. Now another important thing that you need to know while trading binary options is, if you click on here, then you will see lots of currencies, cryptocurrencies. Okay, so these are the assets where you can make trade on binary options. You can trade on crypto. Here you can see how much payout you are going to get in commodities. Okay, in stocks you will get this amount of this type of payout. So for example, if you select let's say let's talk about currencies, okay, instead of this, but you can all trade on all of these assets. Okay, let's just click on currencies. Now you can click on any currency that you want to make trade on. Okay, and you can see 92% payout. That means if you invest $1, then you are going to get 92 cents back. Okay, in from it, if you trade on 5 seconds, then you will get back 92 cents on 5 seconds. If you trade on M1 1 minute time frame, then you will get return 92% payout, that is $92 in return if your trade goes right. Okay, so firstly you need to understand about these trading assets. Okay, so now another thing that you need to know is these candles. Now these are the line candles. Okay, so line candle basically means it will form line and it will show you clearly where the market is going in real time. Okay, similarly these candles are called Japanese candlestick. Okay, you can select the time frame of the candlestick, meaning if M1 is selected, then all of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame, and if S5 is selected, then that means all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Okay, so this much you can understand. Now this bar and Heikinase is not important at this beginning stage. Okay, this just focus on Japanese candlestick. Now another thing you need to know is this. These are the indicators that you can use. Okay, and I have made lots of videos on these indicators. You can watch it in my channel. Okay, so these are the three things that is extremely important. Now while trading binary options, what you need to do is just select the currency pair that you want to trade on, or cryptocurrencies or commodities, whatever it is. Okay, just select it. Okay, and you'll see the real-time chart, and then select the candlestick, make the time frame of the candlestick. If you want to trade on 5 seconds, just make it S5, and all of these candles will be formed in 5 seconds. And then select the trading duration, that is going to be also S5. Okay, but if you want to trade on M1, and if you don't see this S5, then make sure if it is flag, okay, then make sure it is clock. Okay, and then select at here and then click on S5. Okay, so your trading duration is also 5 seconds. Now candle are also 5 seconds, time frame is also 5 seconds. Now how much you want to invest, just select that amount. Okay, yeah. Now you only have two things to do here. Either you need to click on higher. We'll also talk about the profitable strategy. Okay, don't worry, I'm only showing you the process of trading binary options. Now you can just click on higher or lower, wherever you feel the market is going on. Okay, so for example, as you can see here, market is going up and you think that market will go up, and you click on higher. Okay, and if this reverse back, then you will, if it went back, so I made a profit of $92 at here. Okay, it went according to my prediction, that was higher. Okay, so I made $92 back. But let's say market is going up, now it is going low. Okay, and I click on higher and it moves in opposite direction, for example, and I made a, again I made a profit here. Okay, but if let's say you click on lower and let's say, okay, again it went lower, again I made a profit at here. So for example, if you click on lower and market start to went up, okay, then you will lose your $100. For example, if you click on higher, okay, and market starts to go down, then also you will lose your $100. So wherever you say market is going at the real time, okay, here you click higher, okay, and it went lower, then you will lose your $100. And from here you say, you click on my lower, and if market start to move up, then also you will lose $100. But if your prediction is right, then you will get up to 90% payout within 5 seconds. So that exactly is how you trade binary options. Now let me show you a little bit about these things. Okay, like if you click on here, help, okay, and you can see the guide and tutorial, which you can see. You can click on here and chat with the support. Okay, and if you need to download the apps, here you can see, here you will find the apps to download on your PC or laptop. Okay, and here you can see chats. Okay, and these are the general chat. This is the support chat, where you can ask some question if you have, okay, to support. Okay, so these are the achievements. You can see your achievements and those things at here. Okay, and here you can purchase something, like there are lots of things like gems, which you will start to discover while using the platform. Okay, you can purchase those kind of things at here. And here you can see this is your profile. Okay, you can edit your name, or you can change your mobile number and do things at here. Okay, and here you can deposit your fund and so on. Okay, so these are the simple basic things that you can use. Now let's talk about the profitable strategy that you can use. So what I have did is, I have created lots of strategy video, especially in pocket option 5-second strategies. Okay, and how you can do this social trading, like copying other people's trade. Okay, and automatically letting those trade execute in the chart. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you just need to copy their trades. Okay, so I have made all of the videos in regards of pocket option 5-second strategies and this kind of copy trading. Okay, already let me show you. So here is it, profitable way how to copy trade social trade with pocket options. So I have already created this video, and I have also created how to create and verify your pocket option account with I have also given a profitable strategy in this video too. You can watch it and create and verify your pocket option account. And here are some of the 5-second strategies that I have used. I have also talked about the martingale strategy. If you don't know about martingale strategy, you can learn about this too. Okay, now these videos are extremely helpful if you want to kickstart your binary options trading career. Okay, you can simply watch these videos thoroughly, and you will have lots of better understanding on how you can start to trade. And most importantly, when you are going to start to trade, don't directly trade with your real fund. Okay, firstly test those strategies with your demo fund. Okay, you can just use the demo account that is available inside the pocket option, and you can start to make some trade with that demo account and see if this thing is for you. Okay, and if that strategy is working for you, then only use it in your real account. If you have any questions in regard of this video, then do ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.